What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you 100 different examples that you can do with Chat GPT. Let's get started.
My name is David. I'm going to show you 100 examples of what Chat GPT can do for you. Let's get started. So we got answering general questions, generating text, chatting in a casual style, answering math problems, translating text to other languages. Let's let this run and give it a try. All right, it completed 100 examples. We have it here listed. It got stuck on 90, but if you type in please continue, it'll complete the list. So let's scroll up to the top and see an example. Please show an example of how Chat GPT can answering general questions. And here you go, user, what is the capital of France? Chat GPT, the capital of France is Paris. Let's try again. How about providing recipes? Please show an example of how Chat GPT can provide recipes. Can you give me a recipe for chocolate chip cookies? Sure. There you go. Look at that. And it even gives you instructions. So let's try something else. Please show an example how ChatGPT can. Let's pick something random here. Offering family advice. Look at that. How can I balance my work and family responsibilities? Their response to AI's response. Balancing work and family responsibilities can be a challenge, but there is a few strategies you can try. Look at that, and it just keeps going. So let's stop that. What else can we do here? Offering pet care advice. Generating sales scripts. Show me an example of how you can generate sales script. And then look at it go. Can you help me write a sales script for a new product? Sure, here's an example of a sales script. Intro, hi there, my name is, insert your name. And I'm with company name. And look at that, we got an error in the body stream. But if we just regenerate the response, we'll get another error. But if we refresh, go back to the function, let's see if that'll fix it. Like completely different from last time. Introduction. My name is this, calling from this company. How are you doing today? I understand you're always looking for new and innovative solutions to a problem that the product solves. Look, and it's giving you kind of like a sales script. So you can try any number of these and just ask ChatGPT to provide an example, and then you can kind of go in further with the questioning and examples. Quite an amazing thing. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much.